Hello students. So in this video I am going to discuss about the central problems that every economy faces and deals with. So what are they? The first one is what to produce. एक इकोनॉमी क्या प्रोडक्ट बनाएगा, कौन सा प्रोडक्ट बनाएगा. द नेक्स्ट इज हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस. वो उस प्रोडक्ट को कौन सा मेथड, कौन सा टेक्निक्स यूज करके बनाएगा जिससे कि क्या होगा, उसका कॉस्ट कम हो एंड आउटपुट ज़्यादा हो. हर एक इकोनॉमी यही सोचता है कि वो अपने कॉस्ट को कैसे रिड्यूस करे एंड आउटपुट को मैक्सिमाइज करे. लास्ट, फॉर हुम टू प्रोड्यूस. वो प्रोडक्ट्स बना तो लेगा बट उसे कंज्यूम कौन करेगा. So the first one, what to produce. This problem involves selection of goods and services to be produced and the quantity to be produced of each selected commodity. Now, we know every economy has limited resources and thus cannot produce all the goods. So, more of one good or services usually means less of other. So, it is very important to allocate the resources in such a way that we can produce different types of goods. And the problem of what to produce has two aspects. One, what possible commodities to produce, and number second, how much to produce. कौन सा commodity हम कितना produce करेंगे. The commodity can be of two types, consumer and capital. Now what are consumer goods? The goods that are directly used by consumers or people. And capital goods are those goods which are used by other economies to further produce more goods. Now the next one, how to produce. This problem refers to selection of technique. That means which technique will we use to produce. There are basically two techniques. One, labor intensive. Second, capital intensive. What is labor intensive? Which means more labor and less capital. And capital intensive means more capital and less labor. What do you mean by more capital? More capital means more machines, less people. Okay. Now in India, we use basically labor intensive, and in countries like USA, which is used capital intensive. So, the selection of technique is made with a view to achieve the objective of raising the standard of living of people and to provide employment to everyone. Why do we use labor intensive in India? Do you know? Why? Because of abundance of labor. And in countries like USA or England, they don't use labor. The reason? Because of shortage of labor and abundance of capital. They have lots of capital but we have less capital. So, when an economy has decided what to produce and how to produce, उसने ये तो सोच लिया वो क्या बनाएगा, वो कैसे बनाएगा, बट अब उसे ये सोचना है कि वो किसके लिए बनाएगा. Who will buy those products? So, the third one is for whom to produce. Selection of the category of people who will ultimately consume the goods. Now, who are those? This problem refers to selection of the category of people who will ultimately consume the goods. That is, whether to produce for more poor people or more rich people. So, it is concerned with the distribution of income among the factors of production. So students, this was all about this video. In the next video, we are going to discuss more important topics related to economics. Till then, watch the video. If you have any queries, do comment and let me know. And if you want any other topic, you can comment and let me know. Thank you.